Alright, fellas, let's get after it. Another day, another dollar. I got some work done on Monday and Tuesday on some other stuff, but nothing done on the app this week. So today, I think we have the visual assets generator working pretty well. And we have to debug our thing that joins all of our different things together into one final video. Then my buddy gave me a new authorization key for his OpenAI, so I'm gonna get ChatGPT working, gonna get Voice GPT working. That's done. I think we can do that. And then the last thing I want is like a macro for several. No, we're gonna do revision, then macro. Do we really need a macro? So new script revision. And we're gonna do ffmpeg hide output because ffmpeg always prints these ridiculously large outputs to the terminal, and I can't deal with it, dude. It's too much. Someone showed me a way to like make the output mode quiet. So once we do that, then maybe we can do some macros at the end. But let's get after it, baby. Okay, we got line 14 in joinAssets. Hold on. Over here, you can go over here. Okay. 14. It looked like I was just missing a colon. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna need that colon. Let's run it back, baby. Line 123. So I've literally not debugged this at all. So you see how I debug stuff. Did you know what? I never even finished this section, I don't think. Yeah, I didn't even finish writing like the pseudocode or whatever. So shit. I had to like stop. I had my cousins were coming over. That was it. All right. Okay, so we have my video directory, then my audio directory. Is that really like the way it is? I feel like I might be doing this incorrectly. CD voice. Okay, so CD 33. Okay, so that is incorrect. There's different versions for the audio. CD1. Okay. So need to add audio version. Okay. So I have a log message, remove audio, takes the video path and the output path. Okay. Cat videos. Why would we need an output path and a name? Let's just make the output path the name. Okay. So this grabs all my objects. So I can pass in an object ID, and I can pass in a video version. I need to also be able to pass in an audio version. I don't even need to know the voice version when I pass it in because it's linked to the video version. Okay. Got a print statement with a colon after it. Like, that makes sense. I got the world's first print loop. Okay. For audio file and audio files. So my audio files are like segments, basically. And I'm using string splitting to get my name of the audio file. And then if the video file of the same am I doing this the right? No, this is absolutely not needing curly brackets. I was fried when I wrote that. Video directory. I don't know if that's actually printing it correctly. File path to check is going to be file path. Let's try that out. So each audio file is going to have a segment, and then it sets the name of the segment ID. If okay, if it's there without it and anything else, narrator. See, I don't even think this is necessary because this should be a narrator. It should be generated. I'm going to actually remove this right now. This should not be necessary because the video we already made is silent. segment videos equals that, n equals 1, y, while I equals n. What the fuck is I? I think I have one. I think I was gonna say when n equals n. File path. C. Segment ID. N. MP4. Put a check statement in there because I will, knowing myself, I will make this into an infinite loop. Alright, so it's gonna look for these videos. Silent video path equals that. Remove audio, file path, silent video path, segment videos, append, silent video path. And then outside of the while, I already stripped audio. How about we put segment videos over here, and we can do segment videos append file path, and then shit dunst work right. Pathing is wrong. Dunst. Okay. Okay, so segment videos, I have an array I'm passing it right here, and then it needs an output path. And then my output path is going to be my output path equals, just use this file path that join video directory segment And then segment ID should be the right thing. Sick. I think. Then I need to layer the audio on top, which I just straight up don't know how to do in this library. So that's cool. All right, let's break some shit. Let's break it. There's my other terminal window. Damn, I thought I had another one. Do oh, right. I always have to like remember how to spell activate. I'm like terrible at spelling. I am. I'm actually an English teacher. That is how I survive. And I can't spell. Objects dir not defined 45. I'll just make sure I'm really not. I think I'm really not. Okay. I think it's just that. It is just that. JSON object array. $53. Hold on, I gotta figure out how big I can make this. Okay, that's a lot better. Nice. Okay, we got 53. If file name exists, text with what the fuck? Okay, so I just need to go jam array equals back. Oh wow, it did not give me an error. sick. Okay. Video dir 102. Okay, so it's video dir camel case everywhere except for those two places. Vim users be like, hold on, let me make a macro. That'd be so funny if I made a macro to change those two file names. That'd be hilarious. Local variable. It's local. Let's see, we're on line 102. So we're down here pretty close to. That might be the first actual like level after. Come on now. Where do I actually declare this thing? No, I haven't even found the video version or voice version at that point. Okay, sick. That's the right place to put that then. Sick, bro. Okay. I'm so goofy. I talk about programming and like this like faux California surfer voice. 107, no such file. Okay. Version file equals join video directory object ID version. But when I put in that, it already has it. Just making sure I didn't make the same mistake again. That looks like the exact same mistake. 127. Okay. So I'm declaring my audio directory wrong. That was probably the thing I tried so hard to fix earlier. I didn't try hard. I don't know. I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I'm gonna get copyright struck by the same dudes that killed him. Okay, so we're getting voice version mixed up. When we're declaring voice version, it's getting declared as the wrong thing. It might actually be writing voice version wrong. So if I go to video files, video killed the radio star. Cat version 1. CD1, cat voice version compatibility 35. We're writing it wrong. It's getting written the wrong way. Cat version 1. Version's getting written twice. Okay. Okay. Problems with visual asset generator. 1 video version gets written twice. Once inside and once outside the final the video. 2 voice compatibility version is grabbing the object ID, not the voice version. Okay. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, It doesn't even matter. Put my trust in you. As far as I can go. For on this, the only one thing you should know. Alright, I need to know which one of those version files I actually want to use. I want to say it's the one that's like the deepest. No, it's not the one that's the deepest. It's the one that's in the second deepest folder that I want to keep. So we're going to go to our functions. We're going to go visual. What do we call that function? We called it gen visual. So it's got a couple problems. Version. Okay, create video files ID, create video files ID, and update video version. Version file. So version file. Video directory. User input version. So that's the right one. That should be good. So there's another point where we're doing this and it's not the right one. This is the correct version file. Voice version compatibility equals video URL user input video version voice version compatibility file write str user input. Boom. Okay, that's what needs to change. So user input is the object ID, but right now it needs to be the video version. No, it doesn't. Hold on. Okay. So I have all my IDs. And then I check and see if voice files user input exist. Cool. Voice version. Voice version. Okay. It's 2 out of 3 problems solved. I just need to find where else I am creating this version file. This should be pretty easy. Okay, so it's going to be in one of those other, it's going to be Is it? Is it though? Oof, definitely need a closing parenthesis. Voice version compatibility. Do we reference that anywhere else? No. It might have just gotten written multiple times while I was testing this. All right, let's just look in the other three. Kate, download stock, voice version compatibility. It should not be in here. Kate's gen fake voice. No, it's not in here. And then the last one is Kate cut stock voice version. Okay. Back in a second. Oh no. We back, baby. Cut stock, not in here. So now I'm going to go back and do a little bit of testing, but I'm going to do something I should have actually done a long time ago. I'm going to create a new function. I'm going to call it hold on. Do I really want to do this? Do I really want to do this right now? I don't think I want to do this. I don't. No infinite mirror, please. It disturbs my calm. I think ChatGPT might actually work. Let's see. This is totally untested. 1000% untested. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I'd be terrified if it was gonna work correctly for once. Okay. Let's print it. Make sure. Come on now. I always have to go and fix this. All the time I have to fix this. No, Discord's already running, isn't it? Where's Discord running? I have the thing here where it's supposed to be running. Hold on. We're just gonna pause the stream here. Alright, we have reset our IP. There's no reason to do that. I didn't need to do that. 36, 1. This should work. Print 36. Ooh, nope, that is 36. 1, 36. Script format not correct. Not correct, homie. Okay, note to self. We need to future script format can be correct when it's not supposed to be. All right, I think we just run it back. RM objects J36. Whoa, 36. 36 Mafia, baby. Let's go. Prompt Bach. Educational. Bach. Ching ching. 3, 37, 1. Oh, I just stubbed my pinky toe a little bit on my desk. Sick. 1, 37. That's what a correctly formatted script is supposed to look like. Gen voice 37. Poly. Let's go, Amazon Poly. Thank you, Amazon Poly. Gen visuals 37. Version 1. Look, it's doing stuff. Is this a product demo? I hope not. The product demo should look better than this. Audio file in audio files. 129, joinAssets. Run it back, baby. Let's go. 37. 1. Oh, Christ. Okay, segment ID is an int. 151. str. Dude, Python is so easy to troubleshoot. I remember like when I learned Java, and it was a nightmare troubleshooting stuff. It was like, what does this ancient, insane stuff mean? Oh, the segment ID is a string, but n is an int. Right. Concat videos, segment videos, and the output path, I just didn't put it in. Sick. Oh, what? Look at this. I knew that there was going to be something wrong with that file path. Look at that. I knew it. I knew it. Okay. To check. I knew that that was going to be it. I think I can just do... That should work. I think I just understood how this works. Okay. This works differently than I thought it worked. And I'm glad, because I had my doubts about it. This seems redundant. Redundant. Right now I am not in the place where I am fixing redundant code. Okay. Looks good. Join assets. There should be like a final videos. Let's see what we have in here. We have 37. There's nothing in here. Nothing in here either. Sick. Okay. Let's look. Oh, excuse me. At our output. See what's going on. Okay. Audio files. Just getting the right name of the audio files. File path to check. Okay, sick. So it should actually be coming up with the right at least the narrator ones are hitting. Okay, looks good. Let's give print segment videos, segment videos. Do you have any other clues of what's occurring? So presumably we should have something inside of segment videos because it's appending something. My output path equals. What is this? What is this? Segment ID.mp4. Well, hold on, we didn't even check that folder. CD video files, CD 37, CD 1. We still have this version here. What the? Where the fuck is this coming from? Cat version. CD 7. Cat voice compatibility version 1. Version 7. Where the fuck is version coming from? Do we know this is the correct version file? Do we really know that? Yeah, there's no... Where the heck is user input? Okay, it's enter available ID. Okay. If it doesn't exist, we write it as video version. Sick. And then if it does exist, we open it up. We write it, increase it by 1. Then we write it again. Okay. Or we read it. That's what I meant. Read it, increase it by 1, write it. Right. Then our voice compatibility version. What is this? What the fuck is this? OS make DIRs that might be our culprit right there. What the fuck is this? So we have video version, right? Then user input, which is my ID, and then our video version. Okay, that should be right, actually. Okay. File right, voice version. Alright, that looks good. Objects dir. Okay, we're all in the objects folder here. Nothing too crazy, nothing crazy. And we're over here in voice files. Video Legnnth. Video lenga array. For I enumerate. Let me see something. When I counted version, that gave me 7. Right, but our highest one here is 5, right? Dang, what a mystery. Some Scooby-Doo shit right there. 7. Oh, man. Drop a comment if you know where this 7 is coming from in this version file. So I just made this one. This one's brand new. Oh, you know what? I already see one mistake that I made. Right there. Boom. What's going on over here? We got segment ID. That might be it. Print trying file path print silent video path, silent video path, baka, baka, baka. Seven, one. Video file not defined. That's probably a really good thing. Yes, it is. It is a great thing. So that means you are actually looking for it. I'm sorry. 16, 153, 16. So 153, we're passing in file path. And then we're passing out the silent video path. Okay. So we come back to 15. And video file is what we're looking for. Okay. Video path is what we should be looking for. Path. Video equals video path, video killed the radio star, video killed the radio star. Ooh, I want another cup of coffee. I love coffee. Ooh, that looked like something happened, baby. My goodness. Have you ever seen a more beautiful thing? I haven't. It was like the first time I laid eyes on my wife. I said, this is the ffmpeg output that I'm going to marry and spend the rest of my life with. God, I hate this. I hate this ffmpeg output. I'm like, where is this shit that matters? Give me anything. Okay. So I should actually see some segment videos if I go into the file now. CD video files. CD 37 ls. CD, oh my goodness. CD1. A lot of silent video files. Okay. I see silent video files. Those are good, but I also need segment video files. So that's working. All that's working. Or is it actually? Let's give it a listen. we're gonna say I don't know about that one. Come on now. Okay. So what's going on with concat videos? I'm getting segments. Totally getting some segments here. I gotta go pee. Hold on. My friend just posted an Instagram story of her with podcast microphones, and like her and her friend are starting a podcast, and I've never wanted to listen to something less. Which is what she would think about this video. She'd be like, oh my god, dude, stop posting these. You're actually just destroying the earth with your useless information. These are gigabytes of like natural space and matter and like energy resources and like entropic stuff that the universe cannot take back, and I'm just throwing information at it to no avail. I think this is actually anti-entropy. I think if you like create something that is organized, it is like a data structure in a file, you are actively fighting against entropy. I'm going to go back to programming. I do not know what I'm talking about. Okay. ffmpeg flags to make output quiet. Let's make it quiet. I want that quiet output. Hide banner and log level error. That looks good. Bro, why won't it let me copy it? Bro, what is going on with... This isn't even Stack Overflow. Bro, what? Come on. Why? python-ffmpeg library, how to Does this at all look similar to what I'm doing? Flags. Interesting. So input RTSP. What is RTSP? What is RTSP? Real-time streaming protocol. See, I don't know about that. I don't think it's an RTSP flag. I think it's just like a regular flag. Examples. Thanks. Why is this like an API thing? Where I'm not using this as an API. Flags. Log. Okay. Everyone comment that I am wasting my brain away and not a real programmer because I'm using ChatGPT. But go fuck yourself. And write me a Python script using the mpeg library that takes an input file and creates an output file with the video cut to 5 seconds, but the log level only shows errors. Okay. Input, duration, output. Global args. Let's go, baby. Global args. Video equals ffmpeg. All right, let's try that. Let's just run that, see how that's working. Guys, I've gotten 3 videos without barely using ChatGPT at all because of one thing some guy said on the internet. Isn't it crazy how, like, negative comments, like, really get to you? Like, they like, kind of matter to me, bro. Like, what some just, like, super negative random person on the internet says, like gets inside your head. It's like, these are just, like, random people that have no life. Of course it has no attribute global args. Of course. Why would it? It's just ChatGPT lying. It's lying. Global arg. They just made it up, right? Let's make sure I didn't, like, type it wrong. Oh yeah, it's just lying. Thanks, ChatGPT. Don't you love it when ChatGPT just lies? That's the funniest thing to me. Everyone's freaking out about AI taking over the world. And literally anyone that works with AI on a regular basis understands how stupid it is. It's just so dumb. It's just really, like, it can barely do anything. What? Why is it taking so long? That's the very first thing it ran into. Okay, so that broke it. It's somehow trying to read standard error. probably shouldn't be doing this. No, I really shouldn't be doing this, and there's actually even better. That's the way I should be doing it. This is how I should be doing this. setting my future self up for success. Okay. Wait. I mean, I don't know if that's it. I don't think so. I think the standard out is actually the actual file. No. It's, yeah, none of the actual... We're done here. Okay. Well, we learned something today. I am pretty close to just saying no. All right. I'm not going to fix it right now. It has beat me. You win. You win ffmpeg Python. I don't need to fix that part right now. Okay. We have a lot of silent videos, and we have very few segments. Very few. So now we go back to our concat videos. Log message. Starting log message. Log message. Is this JavaScript? This is JavaScript. Log message. Gosh, that's crazy that it runs though. I must not even be concat videos. Bro, what? Print segment videos. My output path equals that. Okay. Print starting concat starting concat videos array path and output path. I don't know why I said array path. Just array. Videos array. Dude, shout out to like anyone that's been watching this and like saw this shit that is like clearly not even Python. Oh wait, that isn't. That is log message is a function that I made. Okay. Clips equal transitions equal final clips equal final clips equal for I in range len clips -1 clip equals clips I transition append transition append clips final videos concatenate video clips final video path output path. So we should be getting segments. We should have segments. And we don't. I have a feeling that it's because we're like trying to write them to some folder that doesn't exist. No, it can't be, because like ffmpeg is never like doing anything. It's never giving me any output. Output path. Yeah, I meant output path. Yeah. 6. starting concat videos, video array. That's a strange looking video array. Like, that's not how I expected it to work. Output path. No, that is right. That is right. Right? And then it's just like exiting. So it hits concat videos once. We're actually going to have it also print. It's the exact same thing. Let's go look at our log. cd logs ls python-ffmpeg.log. Name array path is not defined. Okay. Videos, okay, so we're gonna pass in videos array, starting clips equals video clip file for video in videos array. Oh, here we go, baby. Oh, this is looking so nice. It's looking so nice, baby. Looking real nice. And cat name videos max arg is an empty sequence. Max. Okay, so we have 3 segments. And so we have like 1 is definitely, maybe should be one of them, right? And then we see 2. 2 is one of them. 3, 4, 6. Okay. So we're only seeing segments for the ones with multiple videos. Wow. Incredible. that looks like such a error. Like such a large problem. FF plays segment 2. Wow. So that one worked. And then it just did the same one again. Okay. That was weird. Segment 5. This is so wacky. What is going on? That's kind of a cool frickin' thing. Man. Man, what a weird little output. Well, it may in fact be breakfast o'clock. Breakfast. About 2 hours. I need to do some studying on my other thing today. So, I'll make some breakfast, do some normal person stuff. Glad we logged in a couple hours here. Goodbye.